What am I gonna do? I look horrible. I need a miracle.
Have you ever experienced this feeling? You know, when you need that creamy crack fix.
I know what I need. I need me some creamy crack.
For those of you who are not familiar with the term creamy crack, let me break it down for you. Creamy crack, another word for chemical relaxers, aka perms. Black women use straightening products that must be retouched every 6 to 8 weeks and become reliant on them like a crackhead to crack. Creamy crack takes you from this to that.
Yeah, I said it. Creamy crack. I'll put it in like every month. Once I see a BDB pop out, off to the Chinese store I go. It don't even matter what brand. PCJ, Just For Me, Optimum, Keisha Cole brand. I don't care. I just need me some creamy crack. You know, I need that European straight look. You know, all the guys like that. Creamy Crack Anonymous. Creamy Crack Rehabilitation Center, where natural is the way to go. I need help. How can I help you? All right. Okay, so how long have you been on the creamy crack? Calm down, calm down, calm down. I need to know how long you have been on the creamy crack. For about 15 years? Yes. But I can't. Whether it be twists or braids, whatever. Get your hair styled right away. Stay away from the creamy crack. So go get my hair braided? Okay. Okay. I need you to transition out of that relaxed state of mind. Yes. Okay. So you're going to have your braids or twists in for about a month or 2 tops. And from there, we will proceed on to the big chop, where we cut off all your relaxed ends. And you then will become natural. Yes, the way God created you to be. Natural. Okay? Alright. I need you to go right now. Okay? Right now. Yes. Okay. Thank you. That creamy crack got me. When will these beautiful black queens learn to embrace and love what God gave them? This beautiful crown of glory. That relaxer must be seeping into their brains and just making them think that the European straight look is the only way to go. I should have told that girl to check out some YouTube natural hair journey stories. Only time will tell if she passes this test. Hey y'all, you can see I got my hair twisted. So I'm really thinking about going through with this whole natural thing. I'm not feeling my twists right now. They look really stiff and they smell like, it smells like a musk. Like, I don't know. It just stinks. So I'm about to like wash it. Try to get the curls out because I hate these curls. Like, it just looks so ugly.